Now I want to look at something called a tangent line. So a tangent line to a circle is a line in the plane of the circle that intersects the circle in exactly one point. And this is something you remember from geometry. You have a circle and you have a line that just touches the circle at one point. That line is called a tangent line. But what if I want to make this concept of a tangent line a little more general? What if I want to talk about the tangent line to a function? Well, if I say that a tangent line is something that touches the function in exactly one point, well, that's a problem. If we look at this function right here, I have a point P, and I have a line that looks like a tangent line right here near P, but then it hits the function again over here. So our definition is the tangent line being something that just touches the function once is problematic. On the other hand, here is a line that does touch the function just once. Here it is at point Q, and that's it. But that's definitely not a tangent line. A tangent line is something that looks like it should just be touching it once right near that point right there. So we need something that's going to be a little bit better for our definition. Well, for right now, let's look at an intuitive definition of a tangent line. And we'll say that a line is considered to be a tangent line to a curve at point P if the line is going in the same direction as the curve at P. So if we look back at this function right here, here's our point P, and we see that the line looks like it's going in the same direction as the curve at that point. And we're just looking right at this point, so we're not going to worry about what happens over here. Now, in calculus, one of the main problems that we want to try and address is how do we find an equation of that tangent line? So finding an equation of a secant line, that's no problem. You got 2 points, you can calculate the slope, you can find the y-intercept, no big deal. But for the tangent line, we only have 1 point to work with, and 2 points determine a line, so that's going to be a bit of a problem. But we're going to develop techniques that will allow us to find the equation of the tangent line.